Youth Congress Committee na Youth Congress na akan ba khongthang amasung lamdam asida leiriba tongan ba problems issue mayam singsi mateng pangba ngamnanaba Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress na asauba thodang loba tai ngasigi Indian Youth Congress Committee gi makhada nauna Youth Congress Committee khanbagi akhoi state level gi district level gi amadi assembly level da masi akhoi election tawdana ikai khumna jariba Shri Rahul Gandhi ji gi makhada amadi akhoi gi respected president Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji gi makhada masi Youth Congress si all India gi oina akhoi gi sumaina nauna reorganize tawre hairaga election tawbagi procedure ama akhoi masi conduct tawbasi yam phaba khongthang amani youth ki leiriba hauji Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress masigi nauna semgadurba sida aisu ure state level da president gi general secretary gi amadi atai tongan ba posting da nomination tawrakpa ure district level da nomination tawrakpa ure amadi akhoi gi assembly akhoi gi segment singi level da nomination tawrakpa su ure atai khara ahoba tawraktaba su khara yawi madu anyhow akhoi adum akhoi gi violence leibasina maram horka da madu reach out to bangam taba khara leibasing do khoina madu enrollment di tawre haraga aduga kona muk madu gi fill up tawna na bai khoi hona batai youth congress si yamna maru oiba naha singi oiba adugumba congress committee amani masina leibaka sigi tongan ba issue kaya da democratic oiba mawongda aikhoi gi sanvidhan na piriba constitution da piriba aikhoi gi laws adagi aikhoi gi hak mayam aikhoi gi right mayam singsi yamna democratical oiba system amada leinanaba chatnanaba aikhoi punamaki right leinanaba gidamakta youth congress committee na youth congress na masi akanba khongthang amasung lamdam asida leiriba tongan ba problems issue mayam singsi mateng pangba ngamnanaba Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress na asauba thodang loba tai masigidamakta matik chaba leader at the state level district level assembly level da aikhoina khanduri base masi sumna tagi aigi post adu painanaba natti masina aikhoigi sothana leiriba gap leiriba community khudimakta state sida leiriba in the rural areas in the urban areas in the hill areas masigi mayam singsi aikhoi mayam singsina reach out to nonaba amasung afaba lambida aikhoi changchelle harakanda mipung khudimaksi amaga pau phaunaba ngamnanaba aikhoi work tawinaba activity maduni aikhoi na ngasi election tawbagi pandamse maramasina aikhoi nuksinana amaga nuksinana magi angamba capacity magi puthokna duna aikhoi gi masing yamnanaba election sumai paknanaba amasung aikhoi gi leiriba members drive tawse members si drive si tawsida magi requirement de ki bak hena aikhoi gi mayam ama enroll tawre harakanda aikhoi gi youth ki platform ama Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress ki platform ama sembasida sida aikhoi si mapung phana yamna pathokna leiba lairik laisu haiba tongan ba professional sinpham kaya da thabak tawba tammaba experience leiraba naha mayam singsina leibak asi sembada ngasi aikhoi gi mangda ta duna leiriba problem mayam aikhoi punamak hingbada waba thabak phongbagi awaba lairik hairaba naha role singna aikhoi masi lairik hairaba mayam singna thabak phangdabagi samesa adagi pochai phangdabagi amasung mamal tangbagi samesa aikhoi gi rights mayam violate tawriba sigi samesa aikhoi punamak amaga nungsinadriba mayam sing nungsinanaba Youth Congress Committee gi aigi thamoi dagi thoklakpa aigi sakti aigi wakhal dagi tholakpaduna laibak asi seminanaba honabada achauba thodang lobiyu haiduna ina thamjari asigi akhoi Congress ki youth singsina yamna tarang taseng ba youth amagi magundo laiba ngamba isorna pinabibu oisunu haibana ina khamjari. And now with this a very happiest moment, I am happy to announce that the elections of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress under Indian Youth Congress at state level Youth Congress, district level Youth Congress and assembly level Youth Congress and also membership drives at all levels are launched today. Hence, you can start your activities right from now. All the best. Thank you.